Hello, and welcome to this week's Tween DIY video. My name is Kinsey Heisel, and I'm the Youth Services Librarian at the Boyle County Public Library. This week, we're going to be making a fall wreath. This will be a shorter video because, as you can probably tell from the supplies in your bag, there's lots of room for your own creativity. So there's a lot of ways you can do the wreath. I'll go through what is in your bag, the supplies you were given, and then some different ways you can put your wreath together. But this craft is really all up to you and your fall or autumn spirit and how you would like your wreath to turn out. Everything you'll need should be in your bag, with the exception of this cardboard circle, which you should have been given in addition to your bag. All right, let's get started. First, we'll go through the items that you should have found in your bag. Like I said before, you should have also been given this cardboard circle in addition to your bag, and it will be the foundation of your wreath. It's what you will glue everything on. You also should have some ribbon in your bag, a few different types of yarn, as well as a lot of different types of leaves. There should be a mixture of leaves on printed paper, leaves on felt, in all sorts of different fall colors, and 2 different types of leaf shapes. So that's everything that you'll have received in your bag. So the craft is pretty straightforward. You can take some glue from home and glue your leaves to your cardboard wreath. You can also take your yarn and wrap it around the edges to give a little bit more dimension that way. You can take your ribbon and similarly wrap the edges, or you can use your ribbon to tie up your cardboard wreath at the end. So if you wanted to use the ribbon to tie the wreath, you can loop it through, tie a circle, and then you'll be able to hang it up wherever you want around your home. I'll do a few quick examples of how I would decorate a wreath and include those pictures, but really this is however you want to make your own wreath. I'll also include some inspiration I found from Pinterest if you want to take a look at that as well, but I encourage you to be as creative as you'd like and make a very unique fall wreath. I hope you enjoy your fall wreath. I can't wait to see how it turns out for you, and hopefully it gets you in a good fall spirit this autumn as our leaves change colors and the weather gets cooler. Fall is my favorite season of the year, and I hope that you enjoyed this nice fall activity. I want to give you a sneak peek for what we'll be making next week. Next week, in your bag, you'll get a plain drawstring backpack so you can make a Sharpie tie-dye backpack. You'll get 1 Sharpie, and you'll also get a bottle of rubbing alcohol, which is what you'll use to spray the Sharpie that you've designed on your backpack once it's done. So be careful, this may look like water, but it is rubbing alcohol, and I'll have a nice label on it so that you'll be able to tell and not get confused. So that's what we'll be making next week. We thought this would be a fun kind of beginning of the school year, or going into the fall, or maybe a trick-or-treat bag. Whatever you want to do with your bag, you can. So that's what we'll be doing next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.